Welcome to our Tiny Space Laundry Showdown. Today we will be comparing two innovative washing machines designed for compact living: the WonderWash portable washing machine and the 16L mini washer. Both products promise convenience and efficiency, but which one truly stands out for your laundry needs? Let's dive in. The WonderWash features a charming retro design in mint green, making it a stylish addition to any laundry space. Its compact size is perfect for apartments and tiny homes. In contrast, the 16L mini washer boasts a modern, foldable design that enhances portability, making it ideal for travel and camping. Both designs cater to small living spaces, but appeal to different aesthetic preferences. The WonderWash operates manually, allowing users to wash clothes without electricity, making it eco-friendly and perfect for off-grid living. However, it requires more physical effort. On the other hand, the 16L mini washer features an electric spin dryer that provides a deeper clean for delicate items like underwear and baby clothes, offering convenience and efficiency for busy lifestyles. The WonderWash is priced at $55, making it an affordable option for those on a budget. In contrast, the 16L mini washer is priced at $77, reflecting its additional features and electric functionality. While both products cater to small spaces, potential buyers should consider their budget and the value each product offers. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and the 16L mini washer offer unique advantages for those living in small spaces. The WonderWash is perfect for those seeking a budget-friendly manual option, while the 16L mini washer provides modern convenience with its electric features. Which one will you choose for your laundry needs? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.